Enjoy your stay at Curve Nova 2.0. Today we look into the fascinating story of Marie D, a rising model and digital designer noted for her elegance, confidence, and naturally compelling style. Marie immediately grabbed recognition in the fashion industry with her brilliant images, polished clothing, and warm, cheerful vibe. Her journey started with a basic passion for creating, but her inventiveness and consistency developed that passion into a significant internet presence. From polished magazine images to ordinary lifestyle moments, Marie has created a passionate fan base who respect her charm, sincerity, and graceful presence. Beyond her amazing pictures, Marie uses her platform to encourage self-love and body confidence. She urges her followers to embrace who they are, reminding them that real beauty comes from individuality and inner strength. Whether she's showing stylish apparel or sharing honest moments from her life, Marie illustrates that elegance begins within. With her influence expanding every year, Marie D's adventure is merely getting started. For more uplifting tales and inspiring creators, Curve Nova 2.0 is your home.